Hey, Jenny here with another honest Amazon product review. Today I'm reviewing our car seat, which is the Maxi Cosi Pria Max 3-in-1. This is in the color Desert Wonder, which matches our really light interior of our vehicle, which we love. We have been using this car seat for 2 years now, and our kid loves it, and we are about to get another one for our second kid because that's how much we love this car seat. Some of the features of it: first, it is rear facing up to 40 pounds. Then you can flip it around forward facing for up to 100 pounds. So you can use this thing for years, and it has held up so well. As you can see, this is not a brand new car seat. We have been using it for 2 years, and it comes clean with wiping it down. You can take most of the stuff off and put it in the washing machine. You just want to follow the instructions that they have given you, but it keeps pretty clean for a light colored car seat. And we have inserts for the littles, the newborns, up to whatever age and weight and size your kid outgrows these inserts. Our toddler has outgrown them, so we don't have them installed, but they're very easy to install. One of the main features that a lot of people like about this car seat, including us, is one, that the chest clip is magnetic and you squeeze, and so this is a very fast way to get your kid in the car seat. So there's no struggling with clipping anything. It's just a magnet and you squeeze down to open. There's also these little holders here that make getting your kid in and out of the car seat really easy, so they don't end up sitting on these straps and you're digging it from underneath them. The strap holders are built in right here, and I think that's a really cool feature too. We have cup holders that are removable and dishwasher safe. We can adjust this based off of your child's size. We can adjust the height based on your child's size, up and down with just the push of your thumb. There's a little latch here in the front to recline this back. There's 3 levels, 1, 2, and 3. And then when you turn it around, obviously you'll want to have it nice and straight, and it just clips in with the anchors. I'll have my husband show you how to install it, and it's very plush and comfy. I feel like it's kind of like a luxury car seat, and our kid has been happy in it since the day we put her in here. We don't have any screaming and crying in the car, and I think that's because she's very comfortable in this. And we've been very happy with it. Like I said, we're about to buy another one for our second kiddo, so I highly recommend the Maxi Cosi Pria 3-in-1 Max.